So after the failure of the Thomson and Rutherford, Bohr further explained about the why electrons do not fall on nucleus while revolving around the nucleus. So first postulate is about, so three postulate Bohr gave. First postulate, that in an atom, electrons revolve around the nucleus in some fixed circular orbit, and in some specific orbit, electrons do not emit energy, which was expected from the electrodynamics. So means while revolving in this particular orbits, electrons do not emit energy and keep on revolving around the nucleus. These orbits are called stationary orbits. So the first postulate is about the stationary orbits of atom. So usually electron exists in the stationary orbits and keep on rotating and atom remains stable. Second postulate, stationary orbit are those in which angular momentum of electron is integral multiple of h, Planck's constant. Therefore, angular momentum of revolving electron is quantized. It means the electrons revolve in an orbit which are particularly the stationary. They must have to need to fulfill a condition. Only those orbits are stationary orbits. Only those orbits are stationary orbits for which angular momentum is equals to n times the Planck's constant, where angular momentum is nothing but it is mvr, that is equals to nh. Third postulate is where n is the principal quantum number having value from 1, 2, 3, so on. So angular momentum is quantized, is also known as Bohr quantization condition. Third postulate, energy of an electron revolving in a stationary orbit remain constant. Energy is emitted from atom only when an electron jumps from orbit of higher energy to the orbit of lower energy. So when electron get emitted from higher to lower, it emit energy that is equals to h nu. So if a higher level has energy is equals to h nu 2 and lower has h nu 1, so energy difference is h nu 2 minus nu 1. So if electron has to move from lower to higher energy level, then they need to observe the energy, and if they are moving from higher to lower, then they will emit the energy.